Now we are going to learn about the topic name design thinking. So you must be having this query like what is design thinking? So the answer is design thinking is the innovative method which was developed by University of Stanford. Basically nowadays what is happening, design thinking is adopted by many of the companies nowadays, right? So here design thinking we can use in three ways. The first method is design thinking we can use as the mindset. The second is design thinking as process, and the third one is design thinking as tools. And in today's lecture what we are going to learn, we are going to learn the concept of design thinking as mindset. So basically design thinking as mindset is characterized by the simultaneously playful and solution oriented combination of this principle. So here we have to follow some principle when we want to use design thinking as mindset. So what are those principles? So the first principle is innovation is made by humans for humans. After this, the second principle is combining of divergent and convergent thinking. The third principle is fail often and early. The fourth principle is build prototypes that can be experienced. Fifth prototype, that is test early with customers. Sixth, design never end. And the last one is design thinking needs a special place. Now let's move on to the explanation of all these principles, like how this principle can be used as a design thinking as mindset. So what we have seen this principle so far. Now let's discuss one by one regarding all these principles. So the first principle, that is innovation is made by humans for humans. So design thinking, we know this fact that it is a deeply human centered method where the involvement of the human is there throughout the process. So innovation process are made by and for people, right? People, we are, why we are saying people, because we human are going to work for the society, right? So it is the process used by us, developed by us and for the people. Now move on to the second topic or the second principle, that is combining of divergent and convergent thinking. What it says that basically what is happening, design thinkers enhance the solution space through thinking divergently. Solution space, it means that where you are just trying to find out the solution related to any problem. When I say any problem, you just think about any product. Okay, so we are just trying to identify the solution in thinking divergently direction. Okay, then third, fail often and early. So what we are doing here, through early testing with the end customers, design thinkers realize when ideas cannot solve the problem and brief. Okay, so ultimately if you are ready with the product, what you can do, you can reach out to the user and just check with them, right? And you will get to know whether this idea is fruitful or not. Okay, so that was your third principle. Now comes to the fourth one, that is build prototypes that can be experienced. What it says that what you have to try here, you have to think about fast and easily comprehensible prototypes are built that allow new ideas to be tested. See, if you are ready with the prototype, what you have to do, you just reach out to the user with the prototype, so that what you can do, you can just jump into the second or the next step, that is test early with the customer. See, once you are having the prototype, you can test early with the customers. So here you will get an idea, because the faster a new idea can be tested with the user, the sooner you will get to know whether that idea is suitable or not, right? So here you must try to develop a faster prototype. Okay, that was your fifth principle. Now comes to sixth principle, that is design never ends. And yes, we know that this means work must proceed iteratively in cycle, right? If you are done with the development of that product, okay, or one product, what you can do, you can iterate the process for the development of next product. And the last principle, and what is that, design thinking needs a special place. And this is happening in every industries nowadays. You just take the example of Google, Microsoft, Infosys, etc., etc. And what they are doing, they are just trying to provide you a more comfortable place so that you can think more and more fruitful ideas. So design thinking needs a special place. What does it mean? To conduct the design thinking project successfully, special spaces are required, designed according to the teams, their requirement, and you must have to provide the right materials and facilities. So if you are going to use this seven principle, then you can use the design thinking as mindsets. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.